In this video, I will tell you that how to back up your Android phone. So it's pretty easy. You have to actually go into your Android phone's settings, and then you actually have to go to your system settings, and there you will see actually backup. So if you don't see like backup here, you can actually search for this like backup, and it should show up here. And if it doesn't show up here, it should be in your systems option here, which is called system, and then you have to click on this backup. And now here it will show you the account with which your phone will be backed up. So if you want to turn it on, you can actually just click on this turn on option here, and then you will actually see your storage here. And now as you can see that my backup is on. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.